Hey everyone, welcome back to Aircraft Technician Network. Today we're talking about the 8 incredible benefits of having a CAA, EASA, or A&P certificate. An airframe and power plant A&P license offers several benefits for individuals in aviation maintenance. Here are some of the advantages of holding an A&P license. If you're considering a career in aviation maintenance or already in the field, this video is for you. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about employment opportunities. An A&P, B1, B2, or CAA license is widely recognized in the aviation industry. It significantly enhances your employability, opening up various job opportunities in airlines, maintenance and repair organizations, MROs, general aviation, and aerospace manufacturing companies. Many employers prefer or require candidates with an A&P license for aircraft maintenance positions. Next, we have versatility and specialization. With an A&P license, you have the skills and knowledge to work on both airframe and power plant systems of aircraft. This means you can perform various maintenance tasks, inspections, and repairs on different aircraft types. You'll be working on engines, airframes, avionics, electrical systems, hydraulics, and more. Now let's talk about salary. Having an A&P certificate significantly boosts your earning potential. Certified A&P mechanics typically earn between $50,000 and $100,000 annually, with experienced professionals or those in specialized fields earning even more. Salaries varies according to experience, ability, location, etc. In contrast, non-certified aviation technicians usually earn around $40,000 per year. The certification not only increases salary potential but also opens doors to advanced career opportunities and positions with greater responsibilities. Another benefit is independence and entrepreneurship. With an A&P license, you can work independently or even start your own aviation maintenance business. This gives you greater control over your work, schedule, and client base, allowing you to offer maintenance services to aircraft owners, operators, and aviation enthusiasts. Career advancement and specialization are also significant benefits. Holding an A&P license is often a stepping stone for further career growth in aviation maintenance. You can pursue additional certifications or specialized endorsements, such as inspection authorization, IA, avionics, composites, or specific aircraft manufacturer training programs. These qualifications can lead to higher-level positions or specialized roles. Job security is another major advantage. The aviation industry relies heavily on skilled and certified aircraft maintenance professionals. As an A&P licensed technician, you are part of a critical workforce responsible for maintaining the safety and airworthiness of aircraft. This translates into relatively stable job security and career stability. Industry recognition is also a key benefit. An A&P license demonstrates your commitment to professional standards and regulatory requirements. It enhances your professional reputation and credibility among colleagues, employers, and clients. Lastly, continuing education and professional development are crucial. Maintaining an A&P license requires ongoing education and training. This ensures you stay updated with the latest advancements, regulations, and best practices in aviation maintenance. These opportunities allow you to expand your knowledge, enhance your skills, and stay current with emerging technologies. You can become an instructor or trainer at aviation maintenance schools, teaching future generations of technicians and engineers. In conclusion, an A&P license offers a solid foundation for a rewarding career in aircraft maintenance. It provides diverse employment opportunities, professional recognition, career advancement potential, and the chance to start your own business. Whether you aspire to be an aircraft maintenance technician, avionics specialist, inspector, manager, or educator, an A&P license serves as a strong foundation for a fulfilling and enduring career in aviation maintenance. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest content. If you have any questions or comments, drop them below. Until next time, keep reaching for the skies.